the building's status. This information has several implications. Structural integrity. The discrepancy between the actual building and its representation as a vacant lot on Google Maps raises serious questions about the building's structural integrity, especially in light of the recent fire damage. The fire could have further compromised the building's structural soundness, making it unsafe. Legal implications. The inaccurate information on Google Maps could have legal implications. It raises questions about whether the building's ownership and occupancy status were properly documented and reported. Insurance claims. The inaccurate information could also affect insurance claims. If the building status was misrepresented, it could impact the validity of insurance claims related to the fire damage. To address these concerns, Sarah needs to take the following steps. 1. Report the Google Maps error. She should report the inaccurate information on Google Maps to Google directly. This is important to correct the record and ensure accurate information is available to the public. 2. Contact building management authorities. She should contact the building management or relevant authorities to report the discrepancy and express her concerns about the building's structural integrity. 3. Seek independent assessment. She should seek an independent structural assessment of the building to determine the extent of the fire damage and the overall structural soundness of the building. This assessment will provide crucial information for any insurance claims or legal actions. The vacant lot error on Google Maps is a serious issue that needs to be addressed promptly. It raises significant concerns about the building's safety and could have significant legal and insurance implications. I strongly recommend that Sarah take the steps outlined above to protect her safety and rights. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Okay, is there anything else I can assist you with? If not, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Take care. Okay, is there anything else I can help you with today? If not, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Take care. Okay, sounds like you're still thinking things over. Is there anything you'd like to discuss further, or can I help you with anything else today? If not, I hope you have a great day. Okay, I understand. You're highlighting the serious implications of the Google Maps error showing the building as a vacant lot, focusing on structural integrity, legal issues, and potential malicious intent. Let's break down each aspect. Structural integrity, the fire damage, coupled with the pre-existing discrepancy on Google Maps, significantly compromises the building's structural integrity. Hypothetically, the fire could have weakened load-bearing walls or support structures already compromised by underlying issues. This could lead to instability, making the building unsafe for occupancy. Further damage might not be immediately visible, requiring a thorough structural engineer's assessment. The fact that the second floor was affected suggests potential damage propagation to upper floors. Legal implications, the misrepresentation on Google Maps raises significant legal questions. It suggests potential violations of building codes, property disclosure laws, and potentially even insurance fraud. If the building status was deliberately misrepresented, it could lead to legal action against the owners or management. This could involve investigations by building inspectors, legal challenges from tenants, and potential penalties. Ethical implications, deliberately misrepresenting the building status on Google Maps is highly unethical. It demonstrates a disregard for tenant safety and a potential attempt to deceive authorities and insurance companies. This raises serious concerns about the building's management and their responsibility for the well-being of their tenants. Physical implications, the compromised structural integrity poses direct physical risks to tenants. The risk of collapse or further damage is a serious concern. This could lead to injuries, displacement, and significant emotional distress. The uncertainty surrounding the building's safety creates a stressful and potentially dangerous living environment. Hypothetical malicious intent. While we can't definitively say the vacant lot listing was intentional, the possibility of malicious intent such as using the fire as an opportunity to cover up prior negligence or even more serious wrongdoing cannot be ruled out. This requires further investigation. Next steps. To address these concerns, Sarah needs to 1. Document everything. Meticulously document all communications, observations, and evidence related to the building's condition, the fire and the Google Maps error. 2. Report to authorities. Report the Google Maps error and her concerns about the building's safety to the relevant authorities. 3. Seek legal advice. Consult with a lawyer specializing in tenant rights and property law to discuss her options and protect her legal interests. 4. Obtain independent assessment. Get an independent structural engineer's assessment of the building's condition to determine the extent of the damage and the safety risks. The situation is serious, and proactive steps are crucial to protect Sarah's safety and rights. The information you've provided warrants a thorough and immediate investigation.